Hi, I'm Wei Kiong, and I graduated from the Singapore Polytechnic DBA program in 2019.
Hello, I'm Qi Xiang. I graduated from Singapore Poly, Diploma in Business Administration course.
So we started Share at Singapore Polytechnic. At the beginning, we had no idea on what business to start. So we knew that e-commerce was something that we wanted to do. Too often, people are put off by the expensive shipping fee whenever they check out. Therefore, we came up with the idea of Share, which is to connect orders from different people to get free shipping. So definitely the biggest challenge of an e-commerce type business is building a website. My groupmates, which were my SP classmates, and we didn't really have any coding experience. Our lecturers invited a founder of a coding academy to teach us some coding.
So how the imprint started was, it started all the way back when I'm in Poly. So we actually required to start a business in the last 6 months of our year 3. And it's actually quite hard for us to come up with a business idea back then. But with our knowledge in mobile accessories, we actually ventured into importing and selling of phone cases. After I graduated from uni, I rebranded the whole business to focus on personalized and customized gifts. Because I have to bring this in a bigger scale, that's where we explore into personalized leather goods.
During my time at DBA, you get to try a bit of marketing and operations. Having a little knowledge about operations and marketing helped us in our business a lot.
Back then, I don't really know what specialization or what career route I want to go. DBA, it actually provides us with a wide spectrum of specialization for us to choose from.
I've enrolled in this program called the NUS Overseas College Program. It's a one-year program where we are supposed to intern at a startup at Silicon Valley.
Our goal in the company is we want to be the company that everybody think of when they are looking for a gift. So we will continue to work hard to explore and bring in new personalized gift items. The very first obstacle that you have is yourself. You have to step out of your own comfort zone. The passion and the will is the one that will keep you going and pushing forward and not giving up halfway.
A ship is safe in harbour, but that's not what ships are built for. They venture into the unknown, and that's where you really learn and discover new things.